Hello, followers of minor immigrants living in Canary Islands. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media side just now, my people. Na I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. You wan be say you dey follow my update. I first bring news about Canary Island minor immigrant last month. When e be say the president of Canary Island, e come out, e come spay government. E say make dem come help am, say only one no fit take care of all those minor immigrants. According to the president that time, e say the minor immigrants, their feet swell up. E say only one no go fit do the job. E say make the Spanish government join hand with am so that dem fit take care of all those immigrants. So now, solution don dey for those minor immigrants. As I dey talk to una now, my people, they say they don build facility for all those minor immigrants. They say they don dey carry them, dey go different facility. They say they don transfer about 400 at present go facility. As I see this tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Now I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, they say Canary Island, 400 minors transfer to the peninsula to respond to the humanitarian crisis. 400 young minors currently housed in the Canary Islands will be transferred to various regions of the Iberian Peninsula. The decision comes at the time when the archipelago accommodation facility for minors are completely situated. 6,000 children are currently housed there for a capacity of 2,000 places. My people, as I see this tori, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Now I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. Now I say I thank God for all those minor immigrants. Cause the suffer when they say that they suffer for that Canary Island before, my people, not be small thing. You want to say you dey watch this tori, anything when you see, not forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, make e for reach everybody. I don go.